Screencastify is a great option for labeling and explaining your diagram. If you've never used Screencastify before, you're going to look for this icon up at the top of your screen. So you're going to see mine right here. If this is your first time using Screencastify, when you click on Screencastify, it might ask you to sign into Google and make sure that everything's set up. You can go ahead and click through those steps. Okay, for now, I'm going to go ahead and first make sure that I have taken a picture of my eco column and that I've added it to my slides so that I can record over. So you're going to take that picture and then go to Insert, Image, and Upload from Computer. Once you have your picture, then you can start your screencast. So I've authorized, I've signed in. I'm going to go ahead and make sure my microphone's turned on, and the embedded webcam is optional for you. I think it's kind of cool for people to see you as you record your video, but this part is optional. So then I'm going to click on Record, and it's going to give me a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and we'll show you how to use this. Okay. Once you're recording, you can start explaining your eco column. I want you to notice down at the bottom, I have the option to pause at any point if I need to catch my thoughts, but I also want you to notice the pin. This pin, you can change the colors, but this is a great way to diagram and label. So maybe you want to circle parts of your picture, and then maybe you want to draw attention or talk about what each of those parts are. So you could even have text labels out here if you wanted to, or you could just draw. But this is a really neat way to draw attention. And then you can also use the mouse pointer if you want to just draw attention this way as well. So this is a really neat way to label and call attention to different parts of your diagram. Then I can go back to regular mouse. And then I can use my pen to highlight other parts of the diagram. I love Screencastify because you can actually voice in and explain each part of your diagram. When you're finished, you are going to click on the stop button here at the bottom. And I want you to notice that your video is then going to be uploaded into Google Drive. So if it's your very first time, you'll need to authorize Google Drive, but then you can go ahead and copy the shareable link. Okay, you're only a few steps away from finishing. So on your interactive notebook, you're going to go ahead and go to Insert, Video from Google Drive, and then in your recents, you will see that Screencastify video. So you want to make sure that you add it to your slides this way. So you could even leave your picture, or you could get rid of your picture if you want to, and add your video. But another thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that this video is shared. So you're going to go into your Google Drive, and you're going to see a Screencastify folder. Once you start using Screencastify, it makes this folder for you. So you're going to click there. You're going to find your video, and then you can do one of two things. If you double click on the video, you can click right here to share. Okay. Once you're recording, you can and then your eco column. It says anyone with the link can view, and that's exactly what you want. You just want to make sure that it's not private. So I could also just right click and say get shareable link. Can't wait to see your videos.